What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hello, my name is Mel, and I don't really see you coming to this video if you're new here because this is an update video. I posted a video, I really don't know how long ago it was. It feels like it was about a year ago. It probably was. I will link that video above over here when I got my first Nighslee mattress order. Side note, look at this new shirt I got. How cute is this? Like, I found this in the arcades in downtown Cleveland, and I was like, I need it. Luckily, it was the last one, so random side note, but I love it, so I thought I'd show it. So about a year ago, I got my Nighslee mattress. I was a little skeptical, honestly, because I've never gotten a bed in the box before. So you guys saw the whole process of that. If you saw my most recent vlog, yeah, you actually see where I tried to take my mattress and package it back up into a vacuum bag. That was hilarious. If you guys saw me wrestle with my mattress because I had to move it from Cincinnati to Cleveland, the struggle was real, guys. I didn't know it was possible, but it was possible, and we did it. I fit it in my tiny Dodge, and we made it here. So, after doing that struggle with my last mattress, I mean, I'm happy it worked, but after doing that last struggle, I needed to fill up my guest rooms. So, in the guest room of my house, I have this twin bed. Sorry, my lighting is like right here because I literally have like no light in this house right now, and it's like 4 p.m., which feels like it's like 8 p.m. outside. But I got this twin bed right here. It is a twin, or this bunk bed, sorry. It is a twin over full. Now, I was trying to figure out, I'm like, okay, I'm gonna have to get a mattress. This is probably going to be primarily for children. We have a lot of guests that come over to our house. A lot of family lives nearby, so a lot of people are gonna be sleeping in this room. So, guys, I decided to go ahead and reach out to Nighslee. Then this was totally my idea. I reached out to them, letting them know I absolutely loved my mattress so much that I wanted to do another collaboration with them to show you guys my next mattress, which is, I believe, the same one as my last one, because after a year, it really proved me wrong. Like, I'm so happy with it, and I wasn't really sure how I would feel about it. So now that it's been a year, I feel comfortable telling you guys how much I love it, that I actually wanted to contact them to see if I could get another mattress and talk to you guys, because this is bomb. So I have like super ghetto stuff right now. My tripod, I think, is like in Cincinnati, so I gotta like tape you guys to like a box real quick. But I'm gonna put you guys up and go ahead and show you this video real quick. I'm gonna go ahead and start a clip right now. I also wanted to let you know, if you did not see my first video, you probably don't know what this mattress is made out of. What's crazy, you can actually feel where the layers start and end. So you have that base foam layer right here, bamboo contour is about right here, and then this cool gel. It's like when you get a pillow cushion for your mattress, like that's what it is like. And I think my 100% favorite thing that I've learned about this mattress over time, I'm sorry, I'm a little stuffy right now because I've been sick, like I have a sinus infection. But my favorite thing is this cover has a zipper. Let me try to show you the zipper. Okay, so here's the zipper, and it goes all along it, all the way down and over. So if something happens, if you have a kid that has an accident in the bed, you can take this off and you can throw it in the wash. It is machine washable, as well as if you are sleeping with somebody in your bed, it's kind of like that wine glass test. Like, if somebody's sleeping right here and you're pushing on it over here, they're not going to feel it. So, I don't know. Honestly, like, I think just going to a mattress store is just completely obsolete now. Just get you one of these, know what I mean? Get you one of these. Side note, again, I do not make commissions off of this. I'm not trying to sell you something. I'm just telling you something that I genuinely really, really liked. And I hope that you guys can kind of find use for it in your life. And I hope you guys like it too. Okay, so you guys saw that clip where I opened the box, and I don't know if I just got stronger or what, but I was able to do this one a lot easier than I was the last one. Probably because it's smaller, because this one I got a full. My last mattress, the one that's in my room, is a queen size mattress. So I want to just go ahead and show you guys like what it looks like, because I know I have bedding on it right now. So I'll go ahead and peel that off so I can show you guys the actual mattress. Okay, so this is my Nighslee mattress. You guys know it is recognizable because it has this giant swoosh right here. Like, they don't even have to put their name on it. You automatically know what it is. But yeah, the box comes like that with the giant swoosh like this. It kind of looks like a either a hill or a wave or something. And I know a couple of you, I did a giveaway last year where 2 of you received twin size Nighslee mattresses, and I've heard a lot of good things back from that. So I appreciate you guys letting me know that you received your mattresses and that you loved them as well. But seriously, guys, totally look into this and check out here. I'll leave a code here. This is I reached out to them to try to get you guys a promo code. Definitely check that out and get you one. Like, I don't know. I don't really see, like, I love the future. I don't see how this could get any easier. Like, you get a discount using, like, a code. They ship it to your door in the box that I showed you in that clip before. You roll it out. They even give you a letter opener to open the plastic. Like, it's ridiculous how easy things are nowadays. So, definitely check that out. My bunk bed is squeaky. Definitely check that out because this is probably one of the smartest decisions you guys could make. And they do have a warranty, so I don't know if it's 100 days or I can't remember because honestly I've never had a problem, so I never even thought to look into it. But if you don't like it, like, they'll take it back from you. But get you one. It is about to be the holiday season, so I'm sure they're going to have sales here shortly. And then I also have that code. You can use it on top of the sale, I believe. So go get you one. Okay, guys, I'll see you next time. Bye.